This is between the Trinamool and the BJP, where the BJP has hit out today at the Trinamool Congress following the report of a court-monitored probe on the Murshidabad violence, which mentions that some leaders of the ruling party in Bengal were involved in the violence. The attacks, remember, which took place during the passage of the Waqf Amendment Bill and then also sparked this huge political row, were directed at Hindus. And when the beleaguered people called for help, it's the police that failed to respond. Now, this is, remember, just a quote from this particular report that has been accessed first by NDTV. The report has also highlighted indiscriminate arson, loot, and relentless destruction of shops and malls. Now, the Trinamool has responded to these charges and to what the report says, and they say now that it's the BJP that is indulging in dirty politics. They say the accused has been arrested, compensation has been given, and all this is nothing but just provocative politics by the BJP. Let's listen in to this war of words.
कि एक कुल मिलाकर इसमें बताया गया कि total of 113 houses were damaged and they even fled to Malda. जो ये कहने का प्रयास किया गया था कुछ नेताओं के द्वारा कि ऐसा तो कुछ खास हुआ ही नहीं, कोई महत्वपूर्ण कोई ऐसी उल्लेखनीय घटना नहीं हुई, ये बात बिल्कुल साफ सामने आई कि 113 जो हाउसेस थे वो पूरी तरीके से विध्वंस हुआ और लोगों को वहां से पलायन करने पर बाध्य होना पड़ा।
देखिए, मुर्शिदाबाद लेकर बीजेपी डार्टी पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं। ये जो रिपोर्ट है ये कंप्लीट है या नहीं है, ये हमारा लीडरशिप एनालाइज करने के बाद हम लोग बताएंगे। लेकिन भाजपा जो कर रहे हैं, ये अहमद मालव्य और भाजपा लीडर जो कर रहे हैं, देखिए मुर्शिदाबाद का जो घटना है वो बुरा इंसिडेंट है, हम लोग सब लोग कंडेम किया। और उसके बाद ममता बनर्जी, ऑनरेबल सीएम और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पुलिस जो जो करना था ममता बनर्जी कर दिया। क्यों? देखिए, एक तो जो जो क्रिमिनल है उसको पकड़ा गया और चल रहा है ये प्रोसेस। दो, कंपनसेशन, जिसका मौत हुआ है वो फैमिली, जिस लोग इंजर्ड हुआ है उसका फैमिली, जिसका दुकान और घर का कोई डैमेज हुआ है उसका फैमिली, पूरा कंपनसेशन के जो काम वो चल रहा है, सरकार कर दिया है।
Well, the report highlights how the police was absent from where the violence had occurred. It says that the victims had made phone calls to the police station, which is just about 300 meters away from where the violence had occurred, but there was no response. It also says how the local MLA who belongs to the ruling party of West Bengal had come to the place of occurrence and had returned, and vandalism continued. Also points out at how a local councillor had brought in men to carry out vandalism. These are the victim accounts that have been put forward before the division bench of the Calcutta High Court and has been mentioned by the 3-member committee that was formed by the division bench of the High Court here in Kolkata, hearing a bunch of petitions seeking a central agency probe in the Murshidabad violence, while the BJP has now cornered the Trinamool Congress government, asking what action has been taken against these local Trinamool Congress leaders. The TMC has countered that by putting the blame on the opposition party, saying that it's the BJP which has provoked the people there, and still saying that outsiders are responsible for what ensued in Murshidabad violence, which claimed 3 lives.